Well, hello you guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today this is what I'm eating for my dinner. I went to this place. It's the Hawaiian food. If you look at the bag, it said the original Hawaii barbecue place. And actually, you guys, this place is inside a Walmart. Yes, indeed. Yep, it's inside the Walmart. I knew this was in there because I had ordered before. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and this is my dinner. Okay. Take us. Okay, so this is how the carrot look. Okay, the first one I got, you guys. Show you guys how it looks. This is what this called. This is called the Loco Moco. The Loco Moco. Loco Moco LOCO Loco Hawaiian dish. That's the name of it. I didn't know they had like 2 eggs. I said, wow. But anywho, that's one dish that I got. And they got 2 beef patties with brown gravy, you see? And with onion. Ooh, look at that egg. Oh my God. And I love it. Oh my God. I really love it. So that's 2 patties. Let me see this right here. They got 2 patties with the brown gravy and smothered onion. See? See how they there? That's one patty and that's the other patty. Then they got the mac and cheese. I think that's with carrot and some rice on the side. So that's one of my dish. Okay, let me show you my other one. I love their cabbage and pork. Let me show you the other one. This right here. Oh my God, I used to have a Hawaii friend. Where they stay where I stay at, and they cook this cause her husband is from Hawaii, and it is so good. So that come with pork, cabbage, mac and cheese again, and rice. Yes. Hope my rice didn't get too stiff. But yeah. So I just want to come back to show you guys what I'm eating on my cooking channel. And this is my dinner. Okay? And you know what, you guys? They have a lot of sauce. Okay, so this is the package they give you. This chili sauce. To go with your rice or your beef or whatever you eat. And this right here, they give you some kind of original blend, soy sauce. So I just want to show you guys that, with the package they serve inside. Okay? But anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family to show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any question. Thumb this video up. And also subscribe if you don't mind. I really, really appreciate it. And if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. I really, really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Alrighty. And I have never got this before, you guys, but I'm going to take a picture of how that beef patty look. And that got a little picture there. But anywho, I made this before. I saw one person make this on on YouTube, and I made this before, but I don't know. I had to look and see on my video, if I did the eggs like that. I'm not for sure. But I know this is 2 beef patty. Yes. Okay. So look at that egg. I love the egg like that. So I'll give you guys the first bite. There you go. You even got some rice there. Yes, yes, yes. Taste it. That's good. It's well seasoned, you guys. Taste that mac and cheese. Where you guys get that? Wow. Mac and cheese is good. Okay. Good, y'all. Some with the rice. Sorry about that. You guys go. That's the cabbage, pork and cabbage with the rice. Tastes like I'm in Hawaii, eating at a Hawaii place. And I'm from Colorado. Oh wow, that's good. Oh my God, that's really really good. I guarantee. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here, you guys. And again, this is on a Saturday, and Mother's Day is Sunday. And hope you guys have a happy Mother's Day weekend, even though Mother's Day is every day. I guarantee. Yep, Mother's Day is every day, but because they celebrate a special day for Mother's Day, and just wish everyone a happy Mother's Day. Okay, have a blessed weekend and be safe in God. And if you want to see the next upload video, just keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. All right. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. And I forgot to show you guys what I'm drinking on. That is what I'm drinking on. I didn't get that here. I had some of these at home. So this, I didn't buy it from the Hawaii place. I had my own drink. Okay. All right. Hope you guys like this video. All righty. Bye-bye.